Welcome to the ArbiMate tutorial, Monitor Products, Shortlisted Products, and Notifications. Now, even though this product isn't available on Amazon with the exact UPC, what you can do if you're interested in this specific item anyways, is you can add it to your shortlist, and you can also copy this link location to the Walmart item, and then go down to Monitor Products, and you can paste that URL into the field here. When you run a search, it adds that item to your monitored products, and you can keep an eye on it for future arbitrage opportunities. Similarly, there's the Shortlisted Products tab. So we'll just click on that in the sidebar here. And we'll see here is a variety of shortlisted products that we've seen in this video already so far, as well as some others that I'm keeping my eye on. And let's just sort those by profit margin. So we can see here's the deal of the day, and this is one of the best I've found so far. If you can find arbitrages with $200 profit margin, that's a good arbitrage. Now what ArbiMate is going to do is every day it is going to check on the differentials between Walmart price and Amazon price and update this. This was just updated today, so I know all of my arbitrages are still good. Sometimes it will happen that the price on Walmart or on Amazon changes either up or down, and that may interfere with your arbitrage profit opportunities. So in this case, here's an item that once was profitable for me, but is now showing a loss. So when I get these notifications that one of my good arbs has gone into the negative profit range, it's time for me to go to Amazon and take this item down, or adjust my price accordingly if I choose to keep it for sale at all. But I'm not stocking any inventory, so there's no need for me to sell it if I'm not happy with the arbitrage opportunity anymore. So in this case, I'll just remove it from my store. Your notifications will be indicated by a large bell icon up in the corner that you can click on that will take you to your notifications page. And if you've upgraded to the ArbiMate Pro, you'll receive those notifications directly by email. We'll check them here by clicking the Notifications tab here in the sidebar. So here you can see our most recent notifications. Here's a profit that decreased by $21 down. However, the Walmart price and the Amazon price still have a good price differential, and it's still above the minimum profit. So we'll keep this one on our store. Now here's the alert for that DVD that we saw on the previous screen. This shows us that the profit decreased by -$16. So the price differential between them is actually 0. So there's no advantage to our keeping this product for sale on Amazon. It's below our minimum profit settings that we set. So we'll go to Amazon and we'll remove this one from our store. But it's a good thing that we got this notification, because that way we know to respond to Amazon before any sales are placed and we have to turn down any orders. Thank you very much for watching, and we hope you find the best arbitrages with ArbiMate.